Hello everyone, it's my pleasure to welcome you to the open house at Luzerne County Community College. I know living during these very difficult times that sometimes it's very challenging to think about the future. But thinking about the future is extremely important at this point. If you're a junior or senior in high school and you're thinking about where you should go to college, where you should pursue your education, I would like to remind you of something that I think is very important about Luzerne County Community College. One, we are the largest college in northeastern Pennsylvania, which makes us the most popular choice among the 13 colleges and universities in our region. Secondly, we have an open door admissions policy, which guarantees you full access to our programs. Third, we have an extremely reasonable tuition rate. And this past year, we were able to maintain that tuition, which means that you can secure a 2-year associate degree for less than $11,000. And four, depending on the choice of your career, you can pursue a path towards a 4-year college where we have dual admission agreements that guarantee you full admission as a junior with junior status to that 4-year college university and scholarship opportunities as well. Or you can choose a path in one of our technical career programs to find your position after an associate degree to apply. But I think some of the most important qualities of Luzerne County Community College is that we have an outstanding and dedicated faculty. We have small classes, so if you're learning in person, you're going to be in a classroom of 12 to 15 students where you can exchange ideas with the faculty and have a rewarding experience. But we also have a full online delivery program. But my message today, as I welcome you to this open house, is that it is extremely important that you pursue your higher education. So I would urge you to take the time, if possible, to visit the campus that you're interested in. And here at the college, we are open every day. We can provide you with a tour. You can meet some of the faculty. You can talk about some of the program opportunities that you have that will prepare you for a career. I know as we serve thousands and thousands of students every year, I know that we are the college that prepares people for the future, whereby 80% of our graduates remain right here in northeastern Pennsylvania. So I wish you the very best in your choice of pursuing your education. I look forward to your further interest in Luzerne County Community College. Thank you.